Everybody on Facebook. My name is Yale. You might also know me as You'll Be Blessed. All right. I am actually excited today because I am in New Haven, Connecticut on Yale University's campus for what is called the Yale National Initiative. Now, the Yale National Initiative is a partnership. It's actually, I'm part of a program that strengthens teachers with professional development. And I believe this is one of the most powerful professional development opportunities because it gives teachers control of the classroom and what's being taught in the classroom instead of listening to a curriculum all the time. So I'm meeting with a team of teachers from around the country selected by Yale University to actually come together and collaborate on how we can improve our classroom practices and teach higher level content to our students, whether they be in elementary school, middle school, or kindergarten, or high school, which is what I teach. I'm taking a seminar called Chemistry of Cooking, and what I'm going to be doing is teaming up with chemistry teachers from California, Oklahoma, right here in New Haven. I'm actually representing the city of Philadelphia here. So basically I'm standing on the corner of Grove Street, Tower Parkway, but I'm just really excited today because I believe I'm actually on a God-given assignment to help change education. One of the things I'm going to be doing is learning how to take food chemistry and separation techniques, try to implement some of the things that George Washington Carver did, and teach them to some of my students when I get back to Philly this fall. So, I'm really excited to work with the teachers that are here. I'm here to do some big things. My dad was an educator, my mom was an educator. Hey, everybody in Texas, the Phillips family in Texas who are also educators. So this is my bloodline. This is what I'm called to do. So I'm just really excited about what God's gonna do. And I hope you just follow me while I'm here for the next 2 weeks, just learning how to be a better teacher, not just for Philadelphia, but for the entire nation, because we know our nation's educational system needs powerful influence, and I'm here to help steward that. So have a blessed day, everybody. I love you. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned. Look, this is also the birth of my ministry, You'll Be Blessed Education. All right. So, I'm gonna have a YouTube channel. So, get ready, get excited, because I want you to stay in tune with what God is doing with the educational system in the United States. All right. Have a great day. Love you. Bye.